Today we will start chemical bonding. So in this topic of chemical bondings, we have to study about the chemical bonding as well as the molecular structures. So let's start what is chemical bond first. So chemical bond is the electrostatic forces of attraction. Any forces of attraction, it is not electrostatic but forces of attraction that operates between various chemical constituents, maybe atoms, molecules, ions or compounds, right? So it is the forces of attraction that holds various types of constituents together, that is called a chemical bonds. And it is further classified into 6 classes. That is, first you have learnt in class 10, that is ionic bond. Second, covalent bond. Third, coordinate bond. Fourth, hydrogen bonding. Fifth, metallic bonding. And that is sixth, called general forces of attractions. In the respects of great scientist Van der Waal, we call it Van der Waal forces of attractions, right? So out of these 6 bonds, we will start first ionic bond, that also called electrovalent bonds. So electrovalent bonds क्या है और ionic bonds क्या है? Simply class 10 में हम लोग पढ़े हैं, जो opposite charge ions से बनता है वो ionic bonds है. But here in class 11 we will discuss a little more about it. So first of all, define ionic bonds in higher standards. So it is the electrostatic forces of attraction which holds oppositely charged ions, that is cations and anions, are called ionic bonds. And the conditions for ionic bonds: metal atom lost their electrons, non-metal atom gain their electrons, and it forms a lattice, solid lattice of ionic crystal. That is called NaCl, just like NaCl delta LH, that is lattice enthalpy, energy released during the formations of the lattice, right? So what are the conditions for the formations of ionic bonds? See here, metal atom loses their electrons, so the energy required to lose electron called ionization enthalpy or ionization energy, that form cations. And similarly, non-metal atom gain electrons to form anions. Now this cation and anion combine together to form a crystal lattice of ionic compounds, that is high melting points, high boiling points, solids, crystallines, lots of properties regarding this. So 3 conditions for the formations of strong ionic bonds. First, the cation forming elements should have low value of ionization enthalpy, मतलब ionization enthalpy का वैल्यू कम होना चाहिए, पहला कंडीशन. कंडीशन नंबर 2, high negative value of electron gain enthalpy. That means anion forming elements have high value of negative electron gain enthalpy. Electron gain enthalpy negative में ज़्यादा होना चाहिए. And similarly also third condition is the high value of electron gain enthalpy और lattice enthalpy. तो lattice enthalpy भी क्या होना चाहिए? ज़्यादा होना चाहिए negative. So these are the 3 conditions of formations of strong ionic bonds. कम होना चाहिए ionization enthalpy, ज़्यादा होना चाहिए negative में electron gain enthalpy और ज़्यादा होना चाहिए lattice enthalpy negative. That's all.